D153 industrial grade performance. It can span up to 8 metres depending on gauge. Lead times typically between 3 to 6 weeks and 8 weeks for perforated versions. Suitable for acoustic options, ideal for theatres, leisure centres and schools, or reducing noise in large commercial buildings. It works with Colour Coat HPS 200 Ultra, offering corrosion protection, suitable for swimming pools and available in aesthetic friendly soffit with choice of the colours black or white being the most common. It's compatible with rigid insulation boards between 150 to 250 mm thick. Vapour control layers are available to prevent condensation. Waterproofing membranes for long-term weather protection like single-ply membrane and standing seam roofing systems. And green roof solutions are compatible. RoofDek acts as a structural diaphragm, transferring horizontal forces such as wind or seismic loads to the supporting structure, reducing the need for additional bracing. This makes the RoofDek an active part of the building stability system, improving overall structural efficiency. Think of a RoofDek as a rigid sheet that ties the building together when forces such as wind loads or lateral forces act on the structure. The deck works in conjunction with the fixings and the supporting steelwork to reduce crossing and purlins required within the web of the build. With over 25 years of experience, we know how to match the right RoofDek profile to your project's needs, ensuring efficiency, durability and cost savings. Contact us today and let's solve it.